Hello, this is Daniel, and today I am going to show you the new THI Zone Type in the Touch series. Now, THI stands for Temperature and Humidity Index. It's a calculation, a formula that takes both temperature and humidity into account to come up with a value between 0 and 125. The higher the value, the higher the temperature and level of humidity. This THI group allows you to take humidity into account in a more integrated manner than just using modifiers. I will now show you how to configure a zone as a THI type. We'll go into the menu and then configuration, then we'll hit zone control mode. In here, we're going to select our zone from the drop-down menu, and then we can select staged, merged, or the new THI Zone Type. You may notice we have both the growth curve and the minimum ventilation curve available for the THI Zone Type. You can select those if you want to use them. Then we'll hit the check mark to save. One final thing to note. If you are using a THI Zone Type, you must have both a temperature sensor and a humidity sensor assigned as controlling that zone for that THI reading to be generated. Having said that, that's going to do it for this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one.